Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Sisar. I am founder of Sisar International. We are launching new virtual shipping address service for e-commerce product. Are you living in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Germany or expat India? Looking for Indian e-commerce product from Amazon.in, Flipkart, Myntra, Fab India or any Indian e-commerce portal? But you are facing problem of high shipping rates of each products when you shop one product from India to your foreign location, but you require multiple items like garments, food products and handicraft products and many more. You have a difficulty in custom clearance, you have no Indian address, but Indian e-commerce require a local Indian address, some local item not available in foreign store. Don't worry, we provide you happy personal local for all your problem in our virtual shipping address service. How virtual shipping address works? Let's we see example. Suppose you are living in Canada, you want to shop cloth products from Amazon.in, imitation jewelry products from Flipkart, but when you shop direct each products from Amazon and Flipkart, it's very costly shipping charge to you. But when you use our virtual shipping address service, you have to pay Amazon and Flipkart for each products and use our virtual Indian address for shipping address. When we got both items at our Indian address, then we do consolidation and repackaging and provide you best shipping rates, then deliver products at your doorstep. We take some professional charges for this service. Advantages of virtual shipping address. Use our Indian address. Indian e-commerce require local address, unboxing videos and photos, consolidation. You can add multiple items from any Indian e-commerce website. Repackaging. Through consolidation and repackaging, combine smaller packing in one packing. You can get benefit of Indian e-commerce festival seasonal offers where you live in foreign. Indian e-commerce website where you can shop Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, FirstCry, Fab India and any Indian e-commerce portal. Allowed Indian items for worldwide shipping, garments, foodstuffs, handicrafts, imitation jewelry, spare parts, other items as per Indian custom law. Some items are allowed country to country and product to product basis as per custom law. Prohibited items, perishable food items, drug and narcotics, flammable chemical items, hazardous waste materials. All IATA restricted item and dangerous goods. Why choose us? Transparency, happy personal local for your order, affordable international shipping charges. You can self-order any Indian e-commerce portal. You feel personal touch. Use our Indian address for shipping address. Worldwide delivery at your address. Save your time and hassle-free service. Contact us. Our company name Sisar International. You can check our email ID sisarinternational.11@gmail.com. Our website name sisarinternational.com. Our WhatsApp number, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you.